Hey, Riddle here, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to share a funny secret with you that a lot of people don't know, but I've gotten a lot of good vegetables this way. So the other night we had some spaghetti squash, and I said, don't throw those seeds away, just put them in that bowl for me. And then we had some little sweet peppers that they charge about $4 to $7 for a little bag of organic mixed peppers. You can plant these seeds and they will come up because they're already hydrated and fresh from the vegetable or the fruit. They'll come up in about a week. So it's June 20th, 21st here now, and I'm going to plug these down into the soil, and I'm going to put it's squash. I'm going to put it all around the edge of my bed so it can vine out. And over here in my mounds, I'm going to plant it coming out of the bottom of the mounds, and I am going to have more free spaghetti squash and little sweet peppers than I know what to do with. Now the peppers, if you get them during, or tomato seeds like this, if you get them in the wintertime, just put them on a paper towel and let them dry thoroughly on a windowsill. Then fold up that paper towel, put a little rubber band, a piece of tape, mark what it is with a magic marker on the paper towel, and then put that in a Ziploc bag until you can sow them in the springtime. It's a little late to start these seeds because we're in Northern California and it's real slow growing, but sometimes they will last the winter and perennialize, so I'm going to put these peppers in anyways and see if they catch up with the season or not. But I think the spaghetti squash will grow fast enough that we'll get a good late harvest of spaghetti squash. And that's it. People don't know. Free seeds. Any of your favorite vegetables, you can generally sow the seeds right from them. Now, the only time you might have a problem with not being able to germinate the seeds from a vegetable that you get from the grocery store is if the vegetable is really immature. But you should see, I throw all the pits of my avocados into my worm composter, and I have dozens of avocado trees now that because they just germinate right in the worm composter, and then I just find a place for them somewhere out there in my little jungle. That's it. If you like my interesting tips, money-saving videos, and garden wisdom, please subscribe. It helps. Take care of yourselves, and even more importantly, take care of each other, because it's how we treat each other on the streets that really makes up our reality. Bye.